Hello guys, welcome back to Monet Loves Glam. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. So in this video, this is an open collaboration with the lovely Miss Diva designing on a dime with Kimberly Davis. And our goal was to find something at the thrift store for $10 or less and basically do a flip on it and then show how you decorated it in your home. I am so happy to be part of this collaboration because it really made me utilize a lot of things that I was buying, and I would be like, oh, I'm gonna make something out of that. So this is one of those items. I think I got this at the beginning of the year, and it looks like some type of cabinet store. These are usually the samples that they have. They donated them to the Goodwill. So I was like, you know what? I can use that and do something with it. So as you can see, I took off that, it was like a sample bracket on the back. I tried to rip the paper off the back, but that's going to be on the bottom so you wouldn't see it too much. And then took those screws out. I then went and cleaned it up some, and then took it out to my backyard and gave it a nice coat of spray paint. As you can see, I went ahead and used that Rust-Oleum Paint and Prime High Gloss in the color white. So I wanted to bring this project back inside. So I just laid down some type of plastic scrap that I had laying around. I went ahead and placed that cabinet front right there. And I'm using this adhesive spray just to make it quick and easy. I don't feel like getting out a foam brush and Mod Podge and things like that. So I am just spraying this adhesive spray right around the edge of the cabinet door. And guys, please excuse my nails in this video. I know I need to get to a nail shop badly, or just take these off and be done with them and just polish my nails. I don't know what's going on, but I have been so busy, and that is not something that's on my priority list right now. And then the second thing, guys, if I sound a little different today, it is because your girl went in for a dental consultation to get some braces, and I actually walked out of there with braces. So this is my first time, you know, doing a video and talking a lot with these braces. So I hope that it is clear and that you can understand me. So now, as you guys see, I am just adding some crushed glass. And I bought these 2 bottles of crushed glass a while ago when I did another thrift flip project. It was actually a vase that I had gotten from an estate sale. And I'll be sure to link that video down in the description box so you can see how I flipped that vase. So I'm just adding that crushed glass and just kind of rubbing it around to make sure that it's kind of even on here like that. And that spray adhesive is really sticky, and it says that you can actually use it on a lot of different products. So I am just lifting it to catch that fallout. And guys, I can't even remember where I found that adhesive spray. Probably like at Home Depot or Lowe's somewhere, but I have had it for a really long time. And when I say long, I want to say at least 9 years maybe. I don't use it a whole lot, but that just gives you an idea of how long it will last you. And after all that time, it's still good. It still sticks really well for projects that I use it on. So I am just picking up some of that fallout and reusing it to go ahead and get my surface evenly covered with that crushed glass. Guys, do you all have plans for the weekend? Fall is on its way. I know we are still battling this pandemic, but leave me some comments down in the comment box of some activities that you all have planned with your family this weekend. And like I said earlier, I am so happy for this collaboration because it really made me do something with all these items that I had gotten from thrift stores and estate sales and actually use them. There will also be a playlist for this open collaboration, so I will be also sure to put that down in the description box so you can check out all of the other great YouTubers that joined in this collaboration, so you can get some good ideas of things that you can use from thrift stores to make different items in your home. And guys, I did not go out and buy anything for this project. So you saw the cabinet door I had got from the Goodwill, like I said, back in January. That was $1.99. I already had the spray paint here on hand because I've been just like a spray paint queen. I've already had the crushed glass from an earlier project, so I've already had that. And then I'll show you the next two items that I will be using. And here I am just kind of getting off some of that crushed glass around the edge and just trying to clean it up a little bit. And guys, I am really trying to get fit, get in shape, lose some weight. So as you can see, I have switched out my beloved watches. I'm a person that really loves watches. So it was kind of hard for me to switch out my beautiful watches that I have accumulated and bought over the years for this chart too. It's a Fitbit. But it really helps me keep track of how many steps I'm taking and exercise and things like that. All right, guys, so I just showed you all some bling wrap. Now, I bought this bling wrap a while ago because I was going to do another project with it. Never did the project. So I decided that I will go ahead and use it on this thrift store flip. So I just cut it to size. I sprayed a little bit of that spray adhesive on the back of here also. And then I'm just going ahead and pressing that down to keep it right there on the side of the cabinet door. Now guys, I know a lot of you are wondering, what is this going to be? I had thought about doing a few different things with this door, but I wanted to do something that was quick, easy, and kind of use items that I know a lot of crafters and DIY people would have on hand at their home, and not kind of going out to the stores and looking for things. Now, you might not have this cabinet front at home, but I always see these cabinet fronts like at the Habitat for Humanity home store. A lot of the Goodwills and a lot of the Salvation Army and thrift stores always have these for some reason. So I'm not sure why people donate these cabinet door fronts. I don't know, maybe you'll look up and find the same style. Maybe if yours in your home got damaged or something, and you can find one and maybe match the color and paint it and replace it. But I think the likelihood of, finding the same one probably is slim. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. and put that bling wrap on there. Now guys, I have this mirror that is from Dollar Tree. I think I used this mirror for another project. I had some left over. I removed the little black raised tabs to make it a little more flat. And I am just taking some hot glue. And guys, I do use the Gorilla Glue sticks in my hot glue gun, because these glue sticks have more of a permanent hold. So it's just like using Gorilla Glue, which is really, really strong. So I'll know that my projects will last. So I just kind of eyeballed it and put that mirror right there in the middle and just pressing it down to make sure it stays in place. And that stuff worked really fast. As you can see, it was off a line a little bit, and I was trying to move it over some, but it was already stuck on there. So this will have to do. And then now, these are some cabinet pulls. Now I ordered these cabinet pulls probably over 1.5 years ago, because I thought I wanted to put them on my cabinets, I think in my bathroom. But in actuality, it just didn't look right. So I was kind of stuck with them, and I always keep stuff. I'm like, I'll find something to do with them. So this is the day that I will be using them, and I am just going ahead and I put some hot glue, as you can see, kind of off camera a little bit, right there on the bottom. And then I am just going to go ahead and once again, I just kind of eyeballed this too and just kind of found the middle and went ahead and put this handle. Now I know this Gorilla Glue is really strong, but I think what I will eventually end up doing is go ahead and get my drill out and putting screws in the bottom into the holes on the handle, just so it'll be more sturdy when I pick this tray up. So guys, if you have not figured it out yet, it is going to be one of those decorative display trays. I always see these trays all over. I like decorating with trays. So in my mind, this is a tray that's going to be really unique. And I did make it with the colors to kind of fit into my home decor. And I don't know, I'm just using the cord of that glue gun to kind of make sure it's level. So I went ahead and glued down that second handle pull. And guys, this is what it looks like. I am so happy the way this turned out. And that is just a little close up. Now, part of the task for this collaboration is to show you guys how I style this. So I decided to put this right there on my entryway table. I put a faux orchid right there in the center. I have some mirror candle holders with some nice candles on top. And I think this combination pairs so well. Guys, let me know what you think of this DIY $10 challenge thrift flip in the comments. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it inspired you to get out there and decorate your home. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.